The big thing in the media is AI is going to replace human jobs. I think it's actually just going to change them, and not in a bad way. AI is going to help humans perform their jobs better. My name is Braden Guliano. I'm a freshman here at the University of South Carolina, and my major is Integrated Information Technology. I am getting full connections with our partners like Michelin, Siemens, IBM, Yaskawa. I actually get to go out and use the equipment to solve real-world problems. Some of the projects I've gotten to work on here in the Transformation Lab involve a lot with visual inspection. Here we have a moving iPhone that is constantly looking at pictures behind the bumper. We had an inspection algorithm inspecting multiple parts of a Volvo bumper to detect those defects so that an operator knows exactly what they're looking at and what kind of maintenance needs to be prepared. I've even gotten to start integrating AI into manufacturing plants. The CTE program I was in gave me a wealth of opportunities with many big-time manufacturing partners. I would have never been here in the McNair Center doing projects with Michelin over the summer if it wasn't for the Lexington Technology Center and the teachers there getting me involved and getting my name out there. The way I see Spot is a mobile inspection platform. I was able to kind of take a lot of what I've learned and just kind of use that with Spot, like AI object detection, image recognition. I am able to tweak my code so that Spot can do those inspections autonomously. I think AI will kind of take a similar role to how it's doing in manufacturing right now, improving our lives and helping us with problems that we face and solving those problems before they become a bigger issue. Recently at the university, I've had the opportunity to start developing a diabetes inspection app in partnership with the College of Nursing here on campus. The app is designed to take thermal images of diabetic patients' feet and alert the nurse on standby if something needs to be done. Currently, I have 2 patents filed under my name. Just to kind of know that I have my name out there in the real world, in the patent office, is just mind-blowing to me. Without the CTE classes in the program that I was in, I would not be here. I want to get more involved in Boston Dynamics, becoming a systems integrator, working with Atlas Technologies and robots like Spot. The big dream for the future is really touching the lives of as many people as possible, as many industries as possible, using my skills to develop applications or solutions that can benefit the world as a whole.